Well, I'm about to steam. I want to steam this snapper right here. Sliced up snapper. As you can see, I'm gonna be doing it with okra. And these are the other vegetables that I'm putting into it. Green pepper, carrot, and onion. This goes with this. Alright, I have the seasoning. The seasoning here. Alright, so I have some just general seasoning along with paprika, black pepper, and some cayenne pepper. Yep, I put cayenne pepper into everything. Yeah, but I'm a cayenne pepper kind of guy. You know, some people say maybe it's probably have something to do with why I have such great health. This is a wine glass, but it's not for wine. Just I just need a little bit of water in it. Right. So I'm just going to add just a little bit of water to the seasoning, mix them all together. A little bit more water. Alright, and then I'm going to use this here paintbrush. I'm going to paint the seasoning onto the snapper, but first let me bring the pot over here. Alright, first let me coat it with some olive oil so this stuff don't stick, you know, you don't want this stuff to stick to the bottom, the side, whatever. Alright, and I start with painting. A little bit more of this olive oil paint. Paint the sides of the pot. Alright, that's good enough. Alright, then it's time to paint the snappers. Alright, this is how I paint my snapper. Make sure they paint it everywhere. Every corners. And I'm gonna put them into the pot and then paint the other side. You know, you gotta paint it. Okay. Now let me paint the other side. Nice. Look at this. All right. You're gonna let it sit here for about 10 minutes while I start to preheat the oven. As the oven is getting preheated. Alright, so as I continue with my about to steam this snapper, and you can see I got everything all lined up in the middle. Season 15 minutes. And of course, I'm going to basically line the okra and everything around the snapper. A little bit of salt, always make sure, don't forget to put a little salt. Alright. While I listen out for that sound, and the oven tells you when and get a little bit of brown from the oven. Alright. Ready for the oven. Look at this. Alright. I never used this before. It says roasted garlic mashed potato. So I'm about to try it out for the first time. And just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna add these string beans with it. Just gonna go into this part. Okay, so the oven is ready. I'm not gonna even cover it today, because yes, I do need it. I mean, if you like your meat rare, you can put file paper over this. Alright, but I'm not gonna do that because I like my meat, fish, whatever, with a little color, a little brown, slight little burn. So it should be between half an hour and 45 minutes. Should be ready. Alright, so let me stop this for now. You know what, I'll put a little bit more water in the pot. And then after it start boiling, I'm going to take some out. And I'm going to take some out when it starts boiling, just in case it doesn't need that much, but I just want to be on the safe side. It's my little technique, you know. And my this doesn't, it don't need anything, but I'm still gonna add a little bit of cayenne. Yes, I know. Cayenne pepper kind of guy. I put cayenne in everything. No matter what I'm making. Sometimes I put cayenne in some water and drink it. Yep. I am a cayenne man from Jamaica. Alright, so I'm back. While the snapper is steaming, I'm going to prepare this roasted garlic mashed potato. Sounds fancy. A bit more water. A little bit of cayenne pepper, like I said, folks. This is my ready-made mashed potato. Done. Just like that. And then I'll be ready.
Felt like a nightmare. But since I switched to tennis-sensitive care overnight pads, sleeping brings me joy. Its skin comfort formula acts as a barrier to help protect my skin. Plus, it has triple protection against leaks, odor, and wetness, which helps me
Roasted
feel
garlic,
secure through the night. They make my night smoother
mashed potato, and not so bad.
brighter. Tena, the world's leading incontinence brand. What did you get the night before?
That's good. AAA Auto Insurance scored a 94 on member satisfaction.
What? AAA auto insurance.
And this is not usually my thing, you know. I usually like to do
Expect something more.
make everything from scratch. Make my mashed potato from scratch. I'm a from scratch kind of guy. Yeah, I'm like scratch off.
Alright guys, top 4 answers on the board.
Mr. Scratch off.
Name something Steve Harvey might admit he spends too much money on. Shoot.
Let me stop this again until the final stretch. Alright. So all done. Alright, so let me turn this oven off. Cancel. Alright. I already got my plate out.
Call me at 407-888-8000.
Thank you, Dan. My fear of leakage and skin irritation felt
look
like
at
a
this.
nightmare. But since I switched to tennis-sensitive
Look at it.
overnight pads, sleeping brings me joy. Its skin comfort
Doesn't it look
formula acts
scrumptious?
as a barrier to help protect my skin. Tena, the world's leading different.
Put some stuff on my plate. Cause I'm hungry. Well, this is big spoon.
Denise LeBlanc is up first with $5,200 in front of her. She wrote down, lucky fan, never the wrong response. Unfortunately, we're going to take away 1401, leaving you with 3,799. Brendan Monroe is in second place. What did he come up with? Also a nice message home. How much did you wager, Brendan? You lose 3801, leaving you with 2,799. Andrew Hayes has a lead of 28,300. He come up with the correct response? Ford's Theater. No, but you're on the right track. It might help to remember that Stax was a soul label from Memphis. And that song was composed in what is now the National Civil Rights Museum. It was the Lorraine Motel where Dr. King was shot. What did you wager, Andrew? $8,800, taking it down to a mere $20,000 for a half hour's work. And now a 6-day total of $137,804. Another big win.
Get out of the way.
We'll see you tomorrow on Jeopardy.
All right, good enough for me right there.
A youth pastor was trusted to care for 2 foster children. Instead, investigators say he was sexually abusing them. The other job he had that has investigators concerned, there could be more victims. A painful threat washing ashore in Volusia County. The sea creature responsible for hundreds of injuries. Scattered showers and storms just starting to pop up now as we head to sunset. More activity expected and even a higher chance for rain is on the way tomorrow.
A little bit of this mashed potato.
Yeah, after those big rain totals yesterday, radar is firing up once again, right on time, if you will. Thunderstorms developing across central Florida. Good afternoon, I'm Greg Warren.
And I'm Martha Sigalski. That's why we need to get you over to Street. Over. The certified chief meteorologist Tom Terry is closely tracking the movement of these storms live in severe Weather Center 9. What do you got, Tom?
Yeah, pretty slow start so far,
right,
but we're once again going to have to wait just a little bit like yesterday to get some storms going later in the evening. One thing that's a little different today, we had a couple showers move by to the north. It looks like it wants to rain right now, but mainly just some mid-level clouds over downtown. We're down to 91 from 92 last hour. I was tracking this little batch of showers that came through Lake County right through there earlier today. So the west coast sea breeze is on its way in.
So this is my dinner.
Once again, the line for some scattered heavy late day thunderstorms, similar to what we had yesterday. Just not
Tidying it up a little bit.
widespread. We've seen some heavier weather.